Welcome back to another video with Kids Art Lab. And if this is your first time joining us, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. What are we making today?
A raccoon stealing a candy blossom.
What is that from?
It's from Roblox Grow A Garden.
Grow a Garden?
Yep.
Okay, what do we need for that?
So we're going to need some black, gray, white, purple, pink, blue, turquoise, and red.
That sounds like a lot of colors.
Yes.
Let's get started. All right. Well, first off, let's start with the actual candy blossom that he's going to be... What do? They steal them or something?
Yeah, every 15 minutes they go to a player's garden and steal something.
Oh, okay. So let's start with that one. Okay, and then it's going to be a little smaller. Okay, and then a little smaller. Right, and then it's got a like a stem. Something like that. Now there's going to be a lot of like rectangles in this and squares in this one, so it'll make a little bit more sense when we color it.
All right.
All right. So now what we're going to do is we're going to draw his mouth and his nose. So this is going to be behind it. So we want to stop there. Okay, good. And then come like this. And again, it's got to go behind it. So give the appearance it's in his mouth. Okay? And then this is actually going to be his nose. So again, it's like a rectangle, but leave that open. Okay, that's fine. And then we can go down here. Good. Okay, now what we're going to do is the actual like head. So that'll be right here. And this really is just a giant rectangle. Okay, and then it's going to come out the other side. Did you get it? Okay. All right, and then what we'll do is we'll finish it right over here, like that. Good. Okay, and now we're going to make it the ears. So what we'll do is we'll do them together, make it a little easier. So one like that, one like that. Okay, and then we're going to have, it's kind of like a diagonal line. And then kind of go in and in. And then you finish it, just go straight down. Okay, and then on the inside there, you kind of make the same thing. So just follow the lines that you just did, however yours looks. Everybody's might look a little bit different here. So you kind of just follow the lines and make them a parallel, smaller version of it. Nice. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to start making some stripes. And then this one's over here. All right. And then this goes here. Like that. Okay, and then we got to make a body for him. So let's go down here. And same on the other side. And again, it's going to go behind your fruit if it lines up that way. Mine happened to. Okay, and then go like this. This. Okay, and then it's going to go up, but not all the way. And then this is going to come across. All right, and then a little bit smaller, this will be like his feet. And lastly, we got to give him something to see with. So you got 1 and 2. Well, I can't wait to see what this looks like. Let's fast forward and bring our raccoon to life.
Yes, sir.
All right.
All right, we are back from fast forwarding, and I think the raccoons turned out great.
Yeah, it looks really great.
So I just want to go over some of the stuff that we did.
Okay.
We put some gray in the eyes for this part. With the candy blossom, we add some accents so it looks a little bit more round and glossier. Same with the whole raccoon.
Mm-hmm.
So,
yeah, I like that.
And I wanted just to tell you, you can only get the raccoon from night eggs, and there's only a 1% chance of getting them.
That sounds pretty rare.
Yes.
Well, what did you say? Comment down below if you have one of these?
Yep.
Okay.
Just comment down, raccoon.
Raccoon. All right, well, what else do we have to do?
We have to sign our picture.
Yay. Well, we want to thank you for joining us for another video with Kids Art Lab.
I hope you had fun drawing your raccoon stealing a fruit, and we hope to see you next time.
Bye-bye.